Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and honeygirlsworld.com. I am coming to you guys with my GNC Pro box for this season. I think it's the summer box. I checked my mail and I got this a couple of days ago and I keep forgetting about it in my car. So I've decided, since I'm about to leave the house and it's over here on the floor, that I better go ahead and film this video. I talked about the GNC Pro membership before in my last Pro box reveal. So if you're interested in that, I'll go ahead and leave the link to that video down below, or I will link it up here in a card so you can go ahead and click on that as well. But basically, the GNC Pro membership is something that you pay for each year. I believe it is $39 a year, which is really good. You get a lot of discounts with regards to your purchases. So when you purchase, you gain points. You can use those to trade them in for other things, kind of like, for those of my beauty friends, they're kind of like an Ulta membership, except you do pay. But I think 2 times a year you get your GNC Pro box. So this is what my Pro box looks like this season. So it is blue, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. So like always, on the inside, you kind of have the card here that explains about the box and what kinds of things are in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go through each product that I have. So they sent me a Shape, a little mini magazine, which is cool. Best of Shape. So it's got some things in here about, you know, different types of exercises and stuff like that, which I think is really awesome. This is perfect size for on the go, reading wherever you need to. There is the GNC AMP Advanced Muscle Performance Women's Ripped VitaPack program with metabolism plus muscle support. It includes clinically studied multivitamin blend, burns up to 12 times more calories, and provides lean muscle support, helps regulate excess water, and supports healthy hair, skin, and nails. So it is a little sample pack like that in here. It's 5 products in 1 pack. So that's pretty good. I love these because you're able to sample, which I love. This is the GNC Amped Advanced Muscle Performance Hyper Ripped Thermogenic Pre-Workout Muscle Igniter. This is in the flavor Strawberry Lemonade. This sounds really good. The only problem about some of these things is that they do have things like L-carnitine, and different types of caffeine in there, which my heart hasn't been doing very well with. So probably not something I would use, but definitely awesome that that is a sample in there to try out. There is GNC Fish Oil. Contains 300 mgs of omega-3s, including EPA and DHA. Supports heart, brain, skin, eye, and joint health. 300 milligram omega-3s. There are 21 soft gel caplets in here, so just about a month's worth, or just under a month's worth. I think that's really good. I take fish oils all the time, so does my husband. It's an important part of how I keep my hair shiny and stuff like that, so definitely something worth checking out. I haven't tried the GNC brand yet, so that's something new to try. There is the, this is a Pro Box bonus sample. It is the ISO 100 Diamantized Protein Powder, 100% whey protein isolate in the flavors chocolate coconut. So that's what it is here. This is 1 serving size. I'm kind of bummed that this is a whey protein. Whey proteins have not been sitting on my stomach very well lately, so I've been doing more plant-based protein. But the flavor chocolate coconut would have been something that I'd enjoy. My husband's not a coconut fan, so we'll see if he will try this. There is a liquid IV hydration multiplier utilizing CTT, which is cellular transport technology. You add this to 16 ounces of water. Lemon lime hydration powder drink mix. So this, in my opinion, would probably be something very similar to like a Gatorade or something along those lines. I'm thinking there's 50 calories, 0 fat, 500 milligrams of sodium, so that's kind of high, 370 milligrams of potassium, 12 grams of carbs, which are coming from sugars. Majority of it is 11 grams of sugar. Ooh, that's high. And no protein in here. You have vitamin, oh, hold on. Vitamin C, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, pantothenic acid, phosphorus. Interesting. A lot of sugar in here though. But yeah, this should be one of those kind of things you throw in your water bottle and stuff like that to kind of just keep you more hydrated. So in my opinion, very similar to like a Gatorade, which has a lot of sugar in itself anyway. Let's see here. Myo Power BCAA, muscle fuel for enhanced power and repair. This is again GNC amp. This is a 1 serving packet. It has 5 grams of BCAA, 1.5 grams of HMB, 2.5 grams of creatine, 2.5 grams of glutamine, and 1.2 grams of beta power in tangy orange. Again, another supplement. Let's see here. Total sugar is only 1 gram, so not too bad. My son plays football for his high school, so you know, some of these supplements I wouldn't give to someone young, but definitely some he can make use of. This is the GNC amp Advanced Muscle Performance Sustained Protein Blend, 7-hour sustained release protein. I like that. So you don't get it all at one time. It releases throughout the day. Ultra premium blend of 4 high quality protein sources. Rapid and sustained release for up to 7 hours of muscle fuel. This tastes like Fruity Crisps. See my face? I'm not a... We don't eat cereals like that in my house, so... it's got 25 grams of protein, 4 protein sources, 5G BCAA, and that's 130 calories. 1 packet equals 1 serving. There is a good size bag of ginger chews with lemon. They're individually wrapped, 4.4 ounces, 124 grams, gluten-free. I'm not a fan of ginger. I know it's really good for your health and good for burning calories and fat. Prince of Peace ginger chews with lemon are an easy, convenient, tasty way to enjoy ginger. A delightful balance of sweet and spicy ginger taste with a pleasant, chewy texture. Ginger is also known for bringing comfort to the stomach. Okay, so that's kind of good. So it's got 3 grams of sugar, which isn't bad at all. 15 calories per chew. So that's that. That's a good size bag, you guys. Quite a bit in there. And then last but not least, this is a body fat caliper. This is their gift. It's a fat measuring caliper, and it's got instructions and stuff like that. I actually could stand to figure out where my fat percentage is, but that's pretty cool. So that was what is included in the Pro Box for, where's my time at? Okay, that's what's included in my GNC Pro Box, which I believe is the summer and fall box. Like I said, I believe you get them 2 times a month. I can't remember. I will list my previous video down below in the description box where I do talk about when you get your boxes and so forth. I was surprised to get it as quickly as I did. Like I said, this is technically late. I've had this box now for about 2.5 weeks. It's been sitting in my car. I'm surprised those ginger chews are not completely melted, but I figured I would go ahead and share it with you guys anyway, because it would be something that everyone seems to be interested in. And for me, the GNC Pro Box is definitely something worth checking out, considering you get the discounts and everything like that each year. I mean, that's a lot of products for $40 a year, and you get 2 boxes plus a lot of discounts. It's definitely worth checking out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. If you enjoy videos like this, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button on your way out. I hope you guys are having an awesome and wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.